Now we will compute average variance extracted. Average variance extracted is very simple. Average variance extracted is nothing but the average of the lambda squares. So you take the sum and divide it by the number of items, or you simply say the average of the lambda squares of the items associated with the factors. So this is your average variance extracted for A and B computed. Similarly, average variance extracted for TO is the average of the lambda squares, and then average variance extracted for LEX is the average of the lambda squares associated with LEX. Right, so this is what we have got now. Okay, we can again center it. Right, so we have now got, and we our convergent validity conditions were CR greater than equal to 0.70 and AVE greater than equal to 0.50. Right, so we are saying again that both these conditions are passing. What does AVE signify? On an average, the latent factor EMP explains 50% variance, at least 50% variance in each item. So here we are saying on an average, the latent factor is explaining 67% variance in each of the items, right? And we said that the convention is that this should be greater than 0.50, and we are thus getting an evidence that these are very good items for the latent factor EMP. Similarly, TO1, 2, 3, 4 are good items for task orientation, and LEX 1, 2, and 3 are good items for the latent factor LEX. Right? So this shows that that the items are good indicators for the latent factor.